And this is Rob with Paramount Construction, and I want to show you this building lot on a cul-de-sac in North Arlington at 3532 North Ohio Street. And let me just see if I can figure this out. I'm going to show you the, let's see, the lot right now. This is the, let me get to the actual property. The property, let me show you the plat of the property. Right here is the plat, and I'll go over the property lines in a second. But while I'm thinking about it, if you are interested in one of our new homes in Arlington, McLean, Bethesda, Chevy Chase, Washington, D.C., I will put a link on this page in a minute, and you can click on it. You can set up a strategy call with me, and I'll answer all your questions. We can brainstorm your particular needs on your new home. But back to this property, I'm going to show you the property line right now, and show you kind of a couple things we could do with it. So the boundary line is this outer dotted and dashed line. You can see it's on a cul-de-sac, so it's relatively narrow in the front, and then it gets wider as we go back. It's a 10,300 square foot lot. This inner dotted or dashed line is the buildable area. So you can see as we go back, the house can actually get wider. And I'm going to flip around here for a second, but because we have, maybe I won't do that. I'll stay on this. So this plan I'm showing you now is what we've created for somebody else on this lot. And this is showing a lower level garage in the basement. The nice thing about this lot is the way the topography is, we can either put the garage in the lower level in the basement, or we can put the garage on grade. There are pluses and minuses to each. If we put the garage in the lower level basement, the first floor actually gets nicer because the garage does not impact the floor plan on the first floor. However, you have to bring groceries up the stairs. If we put the garage on the main level, then you're going to have the convenience of bringing groceries in right on the main level. However, the first floor plan may be impacted a bit. So this plan is for someone that's looking at the lot right now. And you can see we've laid out the plan so as we go back, the house gets wider. So this is a custom plan based on what these particular clients would like, and we're just going to taper the house as we push back on the land. We're just going to push the footprint back so we maximize the backyard. On this plan, we're showing the backyard at about 55 feet. So if you want to maximize the usable area in the back, that's the idea. We would try to keep the house as wide as possible, and as we go back, just stay along these property lines. I'll show you this plan. This is two-car garage. Come in through the garage right through here. This is a little wider garage, so there's extra storage in the garage. And then there's a mud room with some built-ins here. Hang up your coats right here. And then it opens up into a rec room, exercise room, and then a bedroom with a full bath. As we come up the stair, I'll show you, actually, let me skip around. Here is the front elevation. This would actually be a two-car garage. Happy to do any elevation you would like. And let's go up to the main level. Here's the second floor. So starting at the second floor, so you come up the stairs, and as you come on the second floor, there's a large laundry room, a 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, but we're happy to do whatever you would like. This is showing a 1,260 square foot upper level. Again, this is what these folks are interested in. We're happy to create whatever you would like. This is showing a hall bath. It could easily be a Jack and Jill bath. These are walk-in closets, and then we have a master suite back here with one walk-in closet, and then a master bath, and then a master bedroom. Again, happy to create whatever you want. This lot could easily handle a much larger house than this. And here is the first floor. Come in the front door here. Dining room is off to the left, coat closet, and then powder room is off to the side, kind of private, and you come right back through the foyer into the great room, and the great room, kitchen, and the breakfast nook. This is all open. And then we have a study off to the side. This could easily be a first floor bedroom. And you can see on this lot, we have plenty of room to build a very, very large house on this lot. We would just continue going back. Now, I'm going to show you if we took the Emerson plan. So if you like the Emerson plan, let me try to give you an idea what we would do. Let's see, go like this. So if we take the Emerson plan, and you can see the Emerson plan is a garage on grade, which this lot can easily handle that. But what we would do is probably start stepping the house back like this, in such a way to maybe make it a little wider here and put a step. And again, we'll create this to fit your exact requirements, but conceptually it might take on this kind of a shape in order to try to keep this backyard as large as possible. Because you can see if we just plunk the Emerson plan on this lot, which a lot of home builders do, they just take an existing plan, plunk it on the lot. You can see how the backyard is, and this, I don't know if you can see this, but it's 39 feet deep. And something like this lot, we probably want to make the backyard as large as possible. So if we taper the house to the sides, we can probably make that backyard, 40 or 50 feet, depending on the size of the existing house. So this is actually a good example of how we actually create each plan to fit each unique lot. We're not going to take the same plan and build it over and over and over. It's not the best way to optimize for every single lot that is unique, and every buyer is going to have their own requirements. So I hope this was helpful. And again, if you have a question on your particular needs or want to look at our plans or have access to our very large list of private lots in Arlington, McLean, Bethesda, Chevy Chase, Northwest DC, I will put a link on this page and you can click on it and schedule an appointment with me. Happy to jump on the phone with you and brainstorm your new home needs. And I hope to talk to you soon.